Imagine beginning each morning with a natural boost that invigorates your senses and fuels your body. Ginger tea offers just that, a soothing aromatic start to the day with numerous health benefits. Today we will reveal reasons this simple drink might be worth adding to your daily lineup. Ginger tea may help ease digestive discomfort. Waking up with digestive discomfort in the morning is definitely not a good way to start your day. Digestive discomforts include bloating, constipation, gas, and diarrhea. All these are caused by the poor functioning of the digestive system, which is a result of indigestion, food poisoning, and sometimes even menstrual cramps. With the use of ginger tea, you may be able to ease the discomfort. It has been proven that frequent consumption of ginger can help your stomach produce more digestive enzymes, which will aid in improving the digestion process. Ginger has been found to be as effective as some other medications, but with much lesser side effects. According to a study published in the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology, those who frequently consumed ginger had the ability to digest food twice as fast compared to those who used a placebo. It's time to say goodbye to those digestive discomforts with just a cup of ginger tea every morning. Consuming ginger tea daily may help reduce blood pressure. Blood pressure is one of the most common ailments affecting thousands of people, especially the elderly. Increased blood pressure has drastic effects on your health, with the possibility of leading to death if not properly maintained. Although there are modern medications to reduce it, one of the most effective alternative medicine remedies is the use of ginger. This is made possible due to the presence of a compound called gingerol, which has the ability to prevent blood clotting. Regular consumption of ginger tea will help lower your blood pressure by simply improving blood circulation and relaxing the muscles of the blood vessels. As reported in a study published in the National Library of Medicine in 2017, it was found that those who consumed ginger daily had a decreased risk of high blood pressure. Ginger tea has the potential to reduce headaches and migraines. Ginger is known to have pain-relieving properties due to the presence of anti-inflammatory components called zingerone and gingerol. Although studies conducted have called for further investigations, a fair amount of them have highlighted its potential benefit for those who struggle with migraines and headaches. Consuming ginger tea on a daily basis may help unleash the pain-relieving properties of this spice into the body to help both prevent and relieve headaches. For migraines, ginger extracts have the ability to increase serotonin levels, which is a chemical messenger in the brain involved with the migraines. Ginger tea consumption every day may help increase the serotonin level in the brain, which may help stop or reduce the migraine attacks. May help reduce morning sickness. Morning sickness, a common ailment amongst pregnant women, mostly includes nausea and to some extent may lead to vomiting. Ginger tea has been found to be effective in reducing this sickness due to its rich, nutritive contents. By consuming it every morning, the nauseous feeling and the morning sickness can easily be reduced or even be prevented completely. A study published in the Sage Journal's Integrative Medicine Insights shows how effective ginger is in this regard. Just a cup of ginger tea every morning may keep the sickness away. Ginger tea may aid in weight loss. If you are under a weight loss regime, it means you need to be extra careful with what you eat. You should only concentrate on healthy diets rich in fiber and protein. Luckily, ginger has been found to be effective in weight loss because it is rich in these nutrients. It also has the ability to control your appetite and increase the rate of thermogenesis, also called heat production. A review of a research published to the National Library of Medicine in 2018 highlighted that ginger may have a positive impact on being overweight through a number of different mechanisms, including appetite control and increasing thermogenesis, or heat production. This means by consuming ginger tea, your metabolism will be boosted and a feeling of fullness will be created in your stomach, thereby extending the amount of time you can go without feeling hungry or the need to eat something. If you are considering upgrading your diet to aid with your weight loss plan, it may be a really good idea to involve ginger tea as part of it. It may be a cancer killer. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases found in almost every region all over the world. New drugs and methods of treatment are being developed every single day to prevent this disease. The scientists leave no stone unturned, as they have also explored the world of traditional medicine for answers. That's how ginger was discovered to be rich in antioxidants, which are highly effective in destroying cancer cells, mostly found affecting different organs found in the digestive system. Consuming ginger tea every morning helps your body to develop its immune system and provide a preventive effect against this deadly disease. Helps reduce the severity of menstrual symptoms. Menstrual symptoms usually include cramps, headache, loss of appetite, irritability, and anger, which are common amongst women when experiencing their monthly cycle. Even though no significant outbreak has been made in terms of drugs that can be used to reduce the effects of these symptoms, the consumption of ginger tea may actually help significantly. As reported in studies published in the International Journal of Science and Healthcare Research in 2021, it was discovered that ginger can be used effectively to reduce menstrual pain and other side effects that may be associated with it. That means the severity of these symptoms can be reduced significantly. Try making it a routine to consume ginger tea every morning and experience the result. It serves as a remedy for cold and sore throat. Ginger has a long history of being used as a medicinal for colds. Its medicinal properties include having the ability to reduce inflammation and soothe a sore throat. Consuming ginger in the form of tea will unleash the antibacterial properties of this spice and may help protect against cold viruses. Findings from studies conducted have concluded that ginger has antibacterial properties, as explained in the book Herbal Medicine, Biomolecular and Clinical Aspects, Chapter 7. Ginger had a higher antibacterial effect than antibiotics when used against Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes. If you are dealing with a sore throat and cold, the most effective home remedy to use is drinking hot ginger tea daily. Safety and precautions. After seeing all the benefits that come with taking ginger tea every morning, you may want to incorporate it immediately into your diet. But it is rather advisable that you consult your doctor or specialist first, especially if you are dealing with life-threatening conditions, to get the appropriate dosage. You may experience side effects like heartburn, and to a severe extent, it may actually lead to bleeding. Also, for people with blood pressure, they should consume ginger tea in moderation, due to its ability to lower the blood pressure. If consumed beyond the required amount, it will have detrimental effects. There you have it, some of the benefits of consuming ginger tea you never knew. This is worth incorporating in your daily morning routine if you haven't done so already. Please share your opinions and other suggestions regarding this magnificent drink. Also, subscribe, like, and share for more healthy homemade remedies.